Well, we actually need several, not just one, cell production plants. And well, first, we have a very strong mid-sized industry that could support that in terms of equipment, in terms of chemical preparation of materials, in terms of running these cell productions. However, we need a strong demand which is supported by government, and so I appreciate very much that our Minister of Economics is pushing that and forcing the mid-sized industry, even with the participation of some bigger players, to form consortia, which could be the running ones, the producers of cells in Germany. And I would hope that beside that necessity, that customers like us, like e.Go Mobile, but even better, the big customers like the big OEMs, would really sign long-term contracts, 4 or 5 years contracts for a certain volume, for certain prices, perhaps not optimizing real minimum prices so far, but making sure that there is a sure demand for the investors, and with that I think we could catch up significantly. We should shorten the supply chain. That means we should have, beginning with small items, production plants that have a direct contact and supply into the raw material scene. And that, to ease that up, we just have to start now with small factories, not just waiting for 8 or 12 or 16 gigawatt-hour factories. We should rather start with the first 1 or 2 gigawatt factory now. Well, it's very important to have such exchange between the experts, because we have to recapture, regather the belief that we can do it. And one thing is very sure, nobody, even the big players, couldn't do it alone. So it has to be a complete team. More or less we have to establish a real cell producing social system, so to say, business social system, and social system is what's happening here. So I appreciate that very much. Well, BMZ is a raw model of doing that efficiently, fast, as an SME, as a still mid-sized company, because I believe the mid-sized industry in teams, in consortia, will be those who are fast enough and focused enough, and BMZ could be a leading entity within such consortia to be built up right now.